Hey people, what's up? It's your girl Folu Storms checking in for another week of BT Breaks Africa. We got entertainment just for you, so let's get into it. First off, Nigerian superstar Kamaru Usman maintains his welterweight title. Naija know they carry last, and in the case of the man nicknamed the Nigerian Nightmare, Kamaru Usman is actually quite used to carrying first, to be honest with you. He beat his opponent the other night, just over the weekend, with a unanimous win. The 33-year-old dominated in a fight that took place in Abu Dhabi, and I'm sure the contender Jorge Masvidal never espered these because they gave him Migbasbo to 1-2, and that was that. So a big congratulations to Kamaru Usman. This record will make it his 12th consecutive win, maintaining this welterweight title. Congratulations to him. So somehow Keke Palmer found herself in the middle of this August entanglement. Let me tell you the gist. So an old photograph of Keke in August resurfaced on social media recently with a fan tweeting asking Keke Palmer, "Is this you?" Keke Palmer was very quick to respond saying, yeah, but August was never my man. That's why till this day you guys are still reaching for nothing. And then she carried on with her tweet talking about privacy and boundary, not getting messy out in the streets. Well, it seems that August was a little bit touchy on that because he went off in a whole thread calling out her mental instability, saying that she was kind of stalking him and her friends begged him to kind of take a step back. I'm like, August, whoa. Well, clearly that's how Keke felt as well, because she then went on her IG page to post, you know what, I do feel attacked, but this is not about me. And I'm like, it was kind of a gracious response, so well done to you, Keke Palmer, for kind of keeping your head above that. But ooh, this August mess is quite the entanglement. Speaking of entanglement, you guys know that I absolutely have to touch on this topic, right? So Jada's Red Table Talk, where she brought herself to the table, broke all kinds of record views. To be honest with you, within the first 24 hours that this 12-minute video was put up, where Jada actually does confirm her relationship with August, it was viewed over 12 million times. I'm like, whoo, child, talk about these entanglement coins. The summary of the gist essentially was that Jada was like, yeah, she got into a thing with August. She felt she needed to be happy. She was separated from Will, so she didn't feel like there was anything wrong with that. And then nobody can give permission to sleep with her except herself. So, okay, Jada, while watching. But at the end of the day, all of this is messy. August, when is your album coming out? Because we know this timing is suspicious. Tekashi 6ix9ine is in the news, and this time because he's about to be a free man. That's right. His house arrest is coming to an end in a few weeks, around the 1st of August or thereabouts, and there are concerns about whether Tekashi can keep his nose out of any gang-related business because his release, even though he will be a free man, it is conditional for the next 5 years. And of course, we know by now how the American prison system works. Can Tekashi stay away from gang members? His lawyer says that, yep, he's going to do his best. He's going to follow lawyer's protocol, going to make sure he goes with his security team, even if it's just for meetings. But the truth is, Tekashi may not be finding some people out in the streets, but when the troll comes out of the house, some of these other people might be finding him. Cardi B and Offset threw an emotional second birthday party for their daughter, Culture. Everything's done for the culture up in that household. It is so beautiful. Both Mom and Pop, Offset and Cardi B, shared some gorgeous photos and videos on their social media pages of their daughter Culture, who turned 2 in quarantine. Now, we have seen a lot of these quarantine birthdays taking place, but this is definitely one of the cuter ones, with this little girl completely shining. I mean, her parents had such beautiful words for her. So I'm just going to say on that note, you guys take this kind of bright, positive energy that Culture is giving you and go on into the week and have a good time with that. Unfortunately, that is all the time I've got for you today on BT Breaks, but your girl Folu Storms, as always, sending you so much love and light by Storms.